Hey, so in this recording, we're going to go over the onboard guide within the portal. The onboard guide is actually a built-in template that we apply to all companies by default. So if I go to a company within the portal, you should see the onboard guide tab showing when you're viewing that company. As mentioned, this is a template, so if you're not seeing it here, if you go up top up here, admin settings, under site settings, go to templates. This is where it would show in the list. If it's not showing there, you can go to options, import template, and under import templates via cloud, leave this all empty, do a search, and it will be one of the built-in ones that you can choose to import from here. Once that's done, then it should be populated and showing within all companies that you view within the portal. So the purpose of the onboard guide is essentially just to become like a checklist of common things that you would be documenting for all your companies. So if it's different points of interest around accounts, agreements like domains, devices, etc. We have this built-in format with all these toggles that you can use as for the built-in format. However, you can also customize this as well. So for what you need, right? So if you need to remove some that are not relevant to you, or you need to add in different things, it's fully customizable. Again, by going here under templates, you can choose to edit the onboard guide, and this is where all those sections that are built in and fields are already created. So again, you can remove fields you don't need. You can then apply custom additional fields that you may want to add on there. Again, really what just applies for your company and what you need, and to serve as that checklist of what you're going to be documenting for that customer. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. If you do have any questions, though, feel free to reach out to us at support@itportal.com. Thanks.